any new system, there will be an element of trial and error. Implementing a pull system can at times take this same approach too. With this in mind, it is very important that frontline employees, people at the gemba, operators, supervisors, managers, and even executives must give their full support and commitment to continuous improvement and waste reduction. Without this, implementing a pull system cannot be successful. Continuous improvement is the act of making incremental and regular improvements in an organization. When people are bought into this mentality, the pull system only gets better from where you start. Without a mentality of continuous improvement, you may implement a new strategy or system, and that would be it. The system would remain the same forever, with no improvements or regular upgrades. As such, it is critical that people know, understand, and are part of continuous improvement. Part of continuously improving is focusing on removing things that do not add value. Waste can be defined as any activity that does not add value to a product or service. In many cases, waste not only adds no value, but adds costs instead. In addition to educating everyone about continuous improvement, it is just as important to educate and empower people to find and eliminate waste. Remember, establishing a commitment to continuous improvement with a focus on waste reduction is absolutely critical to the success of implementing pull systems. We'll see you in the next module.